If ElevenLabs suddenly stopped working after the latest update, you're not the only one. A lot of people are seeing weird issues. Voices not generating, errors popping up, settings acting differently, and it feels like everything just broke overnight. But here's the truth. Most of these problems aren't permanent. They're caused by small things that change after the update. So let's fix this fast. First, the most common issue, voice not generating. After updates, your session can bug out. The fastest fix? Refresh the page, then log out and log back in. It sounds basic, but it works way more often than people expect. Next, check your browser. Updates sometimes conflict with extensions or cached data. Open ElevenLabs in an incognito window. If it works there, your browser cache is the problem. Clear it or switch browsers. Now, the big one, settings reset. After updates, some voice settings like stability or style can reset without you noticing. That's why your voice suddenly sounds different or worse. Go back and recheck your settings before generating again. Another common issue is rate limits. If you're generating a lot of audio quickly, the system might slow down or block requests temporarily. Just wait a few minutes and try again instead of spamming generate. Also, check your credits. Sometimes after updates, usage tracking feels different. If your credits are low or finished, generation will fail, and it looks like a bug even though it's not. And don't forget VPN. If you're using one, turn it off. Updates often tighten security, and unusual locations can trigger errors or login issues. Now here's the quick fix checklist. Refresh plus log out or in. Try incognito mode. Clear browser cache. Recheck voice settings. Wait if rate limited. Check credits. Turn off VPN. One of these usually solves the issue in minutes. Now let's be real. Updates can break small things, but they also improve the platform long term. So if ElevenLabs feels broken right now, don't panic. It's usually just a temporary issue, not a permanent problem. Fix these steps and you'll be back to generating voices normally without wasting time or credits. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.